clingy. Ang clingy mo. Dito na siya, we go sa farm. Punta kami ng bago, kukuha kami ng bagong motor. Napakainit talaga. So kunin natin motor, KRY. Still back hurt? Diyan na si Sir Bugoy, yung supermoto na si Crow. Ha? So let's go na sa farm. Pinatulayo rin na bahay doon. Let's go, back ride muna tayo kasi baka kukunin natin motor, depende mamaya. Back ride. Next project bike. Dito na kami mo short na Sir Farm. Pupunta sa bagong daan yung may Coliseum. Let's go. Going to Nazareth Coliseum Fish Pond. Nazareth. Ito na yung magandang view sa farm. So already ko nadala yung action cam. So phone tayo mag-vlog. There.
Wow, that is nice.
It's a nice road. So going that way. There's super friend. Start wandering. So doon kami sa Repang galing. So Sundays, I really enjoyed it. We fall so hard. It's the ghost town. Nice ang Sumo guys. Dito na kami sa meet up spot sa Farm. Ganda talaga ng KRY ni Bugoy Super Moto. So antayin na lang natin yung seller. Ako yung buyer. Tignan nyo sa Farm, hindi pa ito yung motor na bibili natin MSX 150. Yeah, looks big ha?
Yeah, that's big.
It's the KRY Super Moto already. This is 1821, no? This is already trail tires. Looks nice big ha? But I think last time when we saw what we saw in the press is okay. Yan ako may ice cream. Kasi yung init. Mamaya lang yan yung deal. Kilala ko na Goro.
Sa Suwan na?
Kilala ko na.
Nakuluwang ko?
Oo. Sorry tama. Goods? Okay na, ipadala mo namin sa akin. So, paano ba yan, Sir Farm? Ito na. I-rebuild. Time to rebuild, bro. Yeah, it's smooth. It just have leaks. I think the engine also have leak, maybe. But I'm gonna change the oil. But before that, I'm gonna find out first where it's leaking. Because just like I'm gonna change the oil, then I don't know where. If some kind of like leaking here or there. Okay. So, let's go. Mag-chill kami, Bugoy. Mag-shake kami. Punta tayo na bagong daan. Let's go. Yeah, look how ugly my bike is, but it's a different thing with Bugoy. Ito so guwapo. Dito na kami sa bagong daan. Ito na yung favorite. Shake. Take out. We'll just drink it there in the masilingan. Yeah, okay. Sumo, dirt bike, dirty bike. Sumo, dirt bike, dirty bike. Sumo, dirty bike. Pagkagandahin natin yung Super Farm. Next project. Ngayon, shakes muna. Ay, akala ko picture na, video pa pala. We're taking a video sa Super Farm just to know if there's something wrong with the bike on Bugoy's video earlier. So, hindi umusok. Bali yung suspension lang yung issue niya. Tapos yung lining. Yeah, the lining, you know, the first owner is a girl. So maybe she don't know how to clutch yet. Just change the lining, bro. So dito na sa farm, try nyo dito sa bagong daan yung Zyra Sagusig. Yeah, straw, here. Let's go, uwi na kami sa Masilingan. Dito na kami sa farm. Watch this again, bro. That's why it's off. Turn on. This is life, Silver Fam. Just look at that bike, sit down, relax. See the next project bike. Yeah, Hershey's. Wow. Yeah, some guys can sleep later, bro.
You?
Let me see if I can drop.
Who said you can't get a KRY for Barato? Who?
The stand is still okay.
Mm.
It's gonna go more higher if the suspension is already fixed, as long as there's no scratches. The light now. There you go. It's on now.